Lead Active brings together everything a school needs to build confident students. Now let's see how this comes to life in the school. Teachers prepare for each class using lesson plans and teacher resources on their teacher tabs. With one click, the teacher tablet connects to the smart TV for audio-visual learning. The lesson plan guides her through teacher-led group practice and individual practice. Wherever the lesson plan indicates, teachers use learning kits provided by Lead Active for activity-based learning. With ELGA, a proprietary English skill development program, students are engaged in English communication activities, encouraging them to speak confidently and improve their fluency. This ensures that English doesn't remain just a subject, but becomes a practical skill for life. To check student understanding, we give an assessment builder to teachers which helps them create standardized assessments with just 3 clicks. Teachers enter marks in the tablet either through predictive taps or through voice-based entry. Our technology does the analysis and shares a remedial plan with the teacher. Which she can conduct in the weekly remedial periods. On completion of the lesson, students get their homework, practice tests and revision on the Student tab. This connects their home learning seamlessly to their school. The app enables the parents to be a part of their child's learning journey. Parents monitor the performance of their child using student reports available on the app. To ensure learning is being imparted efficiently to each student, we provide Nucleus, an academic monitoring system to the school. Nucleus provides real-time updates to school owners, principals and academic coordinators to monitor student learning and teacher performance. When everything comes together like this, students learn well and speak English fluently. Teachers teach with consistency, and school leaders drive real student success. A holistic learning system that transforms schools and builds confident students. That's how Lead Active Learning System delivers great student learning in every classroom.